Here's a quick step-by-step guide showing you how to share any Amazon product link. Start by opening Amazon in your browser and signing in if needed. Once you're on the homepage, use the search bar to find the product you want to share. Click on the product to open its full details page. You'll see the title, price, reviews, and product images. This is the page you'll be sharing. At the top of your browser, you'll see the full Amazon URL. You can share this link exactly as it is, but Amazon also gives you a cleaner option. Highlight the link in the address bar, right-click, and select Copy. This gives you the direct product link that you can paste anywhere. If you want shorter or platform-specific links, scroll down on the product page and look for the Share button, usually next to the Buy Now or Add to List buttons. Clicking this will show options like Copy Link, Share via email, Share to Facebook, Share to Pinterest, Share to Messages. Choosing Copy Link here gives you a short, clean link perfect for social media or messaging apps. Now paste the copied link wherever you need, text message, email, social media, or even inside documents. Anyone who taps the link will be taken directly to the same product page. And that's it. That's how you quickly share any Amazon product link.